niya, I brought her home in Mindanao, and she herself is happy in Mindanao, and my kids grew up in Mindanao. So maybe I should start writing and taking pictures about the pretty side, the beautiful side of Mindanao. It was also this time that a group of Mindanao journalists banded together and formed Mindanews, so a little flaggy, Mindanews.com. We wanted to show Mindanao to the world as it is. We wanted to show its bad side, but we also wanted to show its good side. So to play balance, to strike a balance, that's what we achieved to do. So for the love of Mindanao, I now work for Mindanews as one of the editors, pro bono. So I donate 2 days of my week for Mindanews for free. So that's my charity work. And then eventually, I started covering the pretty side of Mindanao, taking pictures of the beautiful scenery of the festival. And I got lucky because when I put everything online in 2002, starting with P-Base, among the first photo sharing services around, my work got noticed. And then Mabuhay Magazine started calling for assignments, like I was sent to Jensen. Cebu Pacific Smile Magazine also started calling, you know. And then donor agencies like USA and the European Union and the UK Embassy and many more started calling for me to do pictures and articles about Mindanao. So there I went all over the island, going to the remotest areas, you know. You take Siargao in the east, all the way to Sitangkay in the westernmost part of the country, where you can swim your way to Sabah. And then Camiguin in the north, to Blan in the south, and we intend to go to Baluk Island tomorrow. Anybody join me? So, even went underground to the tunnels of Duwalwat. No? That's where I went. So, making an inventory of the pictures, I noticed that almost all of the provinces in Mindanao, I've been there, and I have the pictures to show it. No? Except probably for Dinagat, because it's a newly formed province. Sharif Kabuntuan doesn't count because the Supreme Court nullified it. And then, yeah, Maki in Davao Oriental, I've been there. And what else? Sharif Kabuntuan, no, not Sharif, but Sambawa Sibugay. I've been there, but I don't have the picture. So all the rest, I've been there and got the beautiful pictures to show off. So I got a 750 gigabytes of hard disk that's solely for my picture. It's almost full now, and in the next few weeks I should get the 1.5 terabytes to accommodate more pictures to come, which I intend to keep on shooting until I grow old. No? So for me, these images, which form part of the landofpromise.com, is my way of presenting to the world what Mindanao is. The scenery, the people doing their everyday work, you know, children playing and everything else, the festivals that are uniquely Mindanao. So I put that in the Land of Promise. But my mistake in 2003 when I started the Land of Promise, I know nothing but HTML. So I uploaded it in HTML, and you know, it's a little bit tiresome to upload images.